Hi everyone, today we'll take a look at the article called Why Budget Airlines Could Soon Charge You to Use the Bathroom. And this problem is relevant today because the fuel price is increasing and many airline executives are looking for ways to cut down costs. In this presentation, I'll take a look specifically at Southwest Airlines. Southwest Airlines has jet takes off every 24 seconds. It has 700 jets which consume about 1.8 billion gallons of fuel a year. And the main point here is that if airline tries to save money by shaving every ounce of weight they can from each flight departure, they can save millions of dollars every year. The question we have here is, which stuff should an airplane carry? The airline has to decide what to carry on each flight, as each type of item carried would cost millions of dollars in added fuel. And to solve the problem, the Massachusetts Institute of Technology has developed the aircraft performance model. This model takes into account the distance of the flight, the weight carried on board, and the aircraft type itself. This helps us to understand how adding small amount of weight can affect fuel burn on a typical flight. And here we analyze specifically the flight from Boston to Denver, and the aircraft type we look at is Boeing 737-700, and this flight is operate 3 times a day. And the total cost for this flight is $7,900 for 122 passengers. The marginal pound will lead to the marginal fuel cost of 5 cents. So basically, the model will allow the airline to control small parts of total fuel consumption through weight reduction. The decision variable we have here is the stuff to include or not include, so that we can optimize the weight carry on the flight. And this include the stuff we talk about here are the cell phones, the bottle of water, magazines, iPad, laptop, and in-flight entertainment. And the objective for this problem is to minimize fuel costs by having the least weight airplane. And the constraints are the aircraft type, the distance flown, the passenger's incentive, and airline budget. And this model gave us the results, which is and Southwest is able to extend simulations to 1.6 million flights. Therefore, it can analyze the enormous scales of its network and enable big savings. Also, Southwest is atypical in the industry for its consistent profitability over the past several decades. And according to the model, fuel expense is reduced by 3% then profit margin will increase by 1%. Also, the article has shown us that the potential fuel cost saving from small weight changes on every flight include $1.2 million for cell phones, $2.4 million for bottles of water, $5.7 million for magazines, $7 million for iPad, and $21.6 million for laptop, and lastly $39.7 million for in-flight entertainment. And from the airline perspective, this model suggests several insights, such as the dual benefit from add-on fee. The fee creates incentive for passengers to lighten their personal travel gears, and toilet fee changes passengers' behavior of going to the bathroom before or after the flight, and the fee will eventually decrease costs and increase total revenue for airline. And airline tries to charge fee for every ounce of excess weight so that they can control the cost of their flight as efficient as possible. Thank you.